Welcome to my YouTube channel, 4-Stroke Freedom. In this video what I'm going to do, I'm going to fit an engine cutout switch to the Suzuki address 125. So what actually happens, this fits to your wrist or to your belt or some kind of a button to your jacket, your choice, and when you walk away from your scooter or whatever, that comes off and straight away the engine cuts out, and without this connected you can't start the bike. So we'll crack on. Okay folks, that is the seat taken off and also the storage box underneath the Suzuki address 125. So this is the cut off switch. It's the kill switch for the engine, just for extra security if, God forbid, someone tries to rob your scooter at the traffic lights or anywhere like that. So the black wire, I've earthed it there, and the white wire on that box there, there's a green wire coming out, and you actually tee into that, so it makes this switch, when that pulls out, it actually makes the ignition coil earth, and it just stops it from running. So I'm going to assemble it back together just to show you where everything goes. So as I'm putting it back together, that's just how it comes apart. So rather than stripping it down in front of you, I'm putting it back together for you. Okay? And we'll just slide that over the top there, and that's how that sits there, nice and floppy. So I've not fitted this yet, and I'll show you exactly why in a moment. So this here, this goes on the back, covers the petrol tank, and that fits nice and snug there. So I've got 2 screws to go there, and then that one goes in there. So now there's your storage box. Now I'm just going to put that in there for one moment, and the storage box goes on there. But the reason I'm actually putting that in first, because of where I'm putting the kill switch, I want to make sure that there's enough room that once that's fitted it doesn't extract anything, just so it's not in the way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find out where I can actually put this. Now you can lengthen the wire on the kill switch and have it at your knees in front of you, but where I'm going to have it, I'm going to have it underneath my lap kind of thing. So now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to drill a hole just roughly about there where the kill switch is going to go. And you're probably saying to yourself, why put it in such an awkward place? But it's not really, it's where it suits me. Okay, so that's the start of the hole there. Okay, now here we go again. Now, although that took a while to go through, is because I was literally holding the drill. I wasn't actually pushing it. So what I'm going to have to do now is file it out with this file. Now the reason I'm doing it from the inside out, because if I do it from the outside in, I could hit something inside and damage it, but by doing it this way I can keep an eye on things. Now, can you see the way that's just poked out there nicely? So with the blade, Just watching your fingers, keep them out of the way as much as you can. Health and safety. Okay, and that is actually looking kind of tidy there. Okay, now there's two flat bits there that you can hold a wrench or a spanner or something, and then you've got your nut to go on there. So you push that through there like so, and you put your lock nut on. That's it. Okay. Now I've actually twisted the back of the barrel, and believe me, it's tight, you know. So now what we're going to do is put that there for you. Okay, turn the ignition on. Start it up. And that's it. Now you can turn it on. Now without this little gadget here, you're going nowhere. So if for any reason you're hijacked at traffic lights or somewhere where you can't get away quick enough, this is where this comes in handy, because it pops off, it goes with you, and you can get to a safe place that you don't get harmed in any way, and hopefully they give up on your scooter, because pushing or pulling that, you know, it's not going to do anything. It needs to be continuously held out. So we'll put that back in again, and we'll start her. Right, I'm going to get a few cable ties and put them on there. Now I'm not going to tighten them until I've got the wire exactly where I want it. Okay, job is to put this in. Sits there nicely like that, and you just tighten them up. I'll do it with a finger tight to put it in place, and then I'll that one. That's where the two are at the front, and that's the one there at the back. Okay, that there goes like that, and then you've got a bolt what holds it in there. So, and then you've got a bolt there and a bolt there. So we'll take that off at first. And this bar sits in there because it's something what will have to be sorted. So the first okay there folks, now we're going to put the ignition on, pull one of the brakes in, start the bike, and that is the bike running. And for any reason that you might be hijacked at traffic lights or anywhere, knocked off your bike, this will be attached to you on a wristband, and as soon as you get away from the bike it cuts out and this goes with you, And the best thing you can do at that stage is find a safe place to protect yourself. And then the thieves, or whatever you want to call the couriers, will try and start your bike. And hopefully they give up.